So here we are at the Roaring Stag Lodge. About 11 k's so far for me today. A lot of up and down. Quite a technical trail to get here. So here we are, Roaring Stag Lodge. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. And it's got an amazing location by the river. Beautiful. And there is another, I don't know if you can see the swing bridge across the river that's heading off further on, so I'm not going across there today. Need to be doing an overnighter to go that way. I came from up the hill behind the hut. So let's just have a look inside. This hut's quite a bit bigger than the last one. And looks nice and clean and tidy. Once again, it's got wood burner, and this one's actually left some firewood next to the fire, which is very considerate, and a few sticks and things to get a fire going, and a bit of dry branches and sticks and things there. Be nice and warm in here once you have that fire going. So a few bits and pieces here in this one that the other hut didn't have. There's a frying pan. There's another frying pan there. We've got spray to remove harmful organisms from your footwear and clothing. So you don't spread things like Cody dieback and Didimo and all those nasties. Some tea bags, some more gas canisters, a few emergency rations. We've got kidney beans and chickpeas here, and a packet of noodles and some onions. That's very random. And there we go. Got the other intentions book there, and some cards. It's quite interesting the things you find in these huts. Table and chairs, brooms to clean up after yourself. What else have we got that I haven't shown you? We've got a drying rack up there. And at the top here, actually someone has left some sort of old sleeping bag behind. I don't know how keen I'd be to get in that unless I was dying of hypothermia. That's really cool. I'd actually like to stay here. And outside, showing you the river. There's a little wood shed over here. Just there, so not bad supply of wood at this hut. And here we've got an outside sink for doing your dishes. Yeah, and looks like the water tank is just out around the corner there, and the dunny, the toilet or the wharepaku, is just down that little pathway there. So it's a long drop, which is what all these huts tend to have. They don't smell the fleshest, but that's just what you deal with. So I'm going to eat some lunch now. It's actually still quite early in the day, but I've got to turn around and head a long way back. So I need to eat.